All right, let's take a look at this visor attachment. This is for a lot of vehicles. They give you a Velcro extended to extend and fits anywhere. They give you the tool to actually remove the visor if you want, or readjust it. Extra pocket with the zipper in here. Plenty of pockets in here to set up all your items in here. Zipper, also see-through mesh if you want. This is a plus. This actually slides in and out. I like that they give you extra adapters in case it doesn't reach, even for the long cars. So we're gonna put it together and see how it looks on your vehicle. All right, check it out. I just got my new visor here. And this has extra pockets. It has plenty of pockets. There's a zipper in here so you can put your ID or keys, extra stuff in here. I have my registration on here. Now, one of the great things about it, check this out. So you're driving, you get that extra reflection, and this is a little tinted, so you can still see through. If you guys can see, you can still see through and not let any light in. I like that. And if that slides in, you can always zip it up too. There's a zipper behind it. It's Velcro right behind it. If you guys can see that, there's Velcro tying up these things that just hang on to it, so you could stretch it out. This is compatible pretty much anything. You don't like it, you can always put it up. If you guys can see that, put it back down. You have a ticket for parking, you could always put them in here. You don't have to lose them. IDs, I wouldn't recommend credit cards, but anything that to do with your pass card or anything like that, you'll put them in here. Plenty of pockets. You got plenty of pockets, slip-on pockets, if you guys can see that. So the sun hits, hey, that's not a problem. Here it is. Very simple. It fits on pretty much any vehicle. I hope you guys enjoy the video.